Hello everybody, welcome back to the Chateau on what is a very, very exciting day. Not just because I've got a new toy to play with, but because something else that's a much older toy that's currently finally doing its job is actually literally doing its job. So first up, I get an opportunity. Well, let's fit the new toy. Anyone know what it is? It's a massive water pump. Yeah. Right. Oh, look at that. Like a glove!
Much swearing was happening then, but I've even had to strap it down otherwise it'd vibrate off. Look at that! That's an aeration system and a half, isn't it? Woo! Noisy though. That's right. Huh. Look at that. So, the aeration system that we're fitting is all well and good for constant maintenance. This is a bit of an emergency system, so that will obviously help with aeration. It's also helping with a bit of flow, and I've actually got more pipe obviously, and what I'm going to do after that's been running in that area for a little while is then have some pipe which I then direct tied to a tree so it's aimed in different directions. So let's leave that for a little bit and hopefully we'll see a bit of a difference. So I've just come out to check on it, main camera's inside, but can you see this is starting to turn a little bit? There's starting to be a bit of flow. It's starting to break up the surface tension a bit. And over there that's starting to move a little bit. That's good, that's good.
Okay, so we are well aware that that pump does a decent job, although albeit for only a certain amount of time because of the fuel. It's not cheap to run, but it's doing a great job. You can actually see when it's running. Well, actually, no, we can see where the aeration system's doing some good work. So you can see over there, it's, you know, doing some good work over there. We need to create more flow, and this tree, apart from the tree not needing to be there, it's hampering these things. So it's time to use the Range Rover for what it was designed for, and not the school run. Right, let's see if this will drag a tree out of the moat.
Get that from the bottom up.
There we go.
Here the summer over desert land, where the sun beats down like a cattle brand. No sign of water, but you quench my thirst. You're the only one living, and still you burn. You're a sight to see, so fierce, so free, such a mystery. Keep going your way, don't ever change, baby. I see you shining in a world of shade. Try to steal your color.
All right. No longer is there a tree. And we've got the pump running again. So, you already see it starting to create current in a place where the tree used to be.
I see your petals
Let's see what happens. But anything is better than nothing, and that really does help to aerate the water. And I can move that around. Yeah, it's properly going now. All right. Yeah, look at it. It's really well full.
Well, it really is. Not only is that pump very effective briefly, it doesn't last long because it goes through fuel quite quickly. I've got some ideas though for a longer term thing of having a pump that powerful in a couple of places, electric ones, in a couple of places all pointing the same direction around the base of the house. So you could turn them on just for 20 minutes to create flow and push round, because now that tree's out the way, there's quite a bit of flow there. So I do need to sort of aim it in a direction. But look at how well the aeration system is starting to take shape and work. Okay, you're going to go, what are you talking about, Philip? It's not really working. But of those that you can see, rather than it being thick and solid, so it's starting to work over there because you can start to see the shape of, there's flow. Okay, I'll get to that bit in a second, so I'll show you more obvious. This one in the corner, I've got to get the waders in and get back underneath that and pull some stuff out. But you can start seeing the water has obviously got a lot more oxygen in these areas, and this stuff doesn't like that, which is why you're starting to see the water through it. It's all separating. It's not bunching up thick, where it's obviously thriving. It's not liking it in this part anymore, which is a very good thing. And then round by the kitchen, even more so. So this is all coming from one. So you've got that one on the corner up there. This is all starting to, as you can see, it's really thinning out. It doesn't like it. But that is all coming from this one there, which is very effective, and that's flowing underneath the kitchen bridge and down to there. This is doing a great job. In fact, you can actually start to see now, it's really thinning out, and you can see where that it's actually giving flow on the surface. That's just that one aerator is doing a fantastic job. It is thinning this stuff out, as you can see, all over, and now you can genuinely see that's, you know, you can see there's actually, you know, proper, there's a current there. It's actually all moving around, and that's exactly what's supposed to happen. You know, movement of the water. So eventually this stuff will all be killed off because none of it likes well aerated water. So yeah, I am particularly happy that this is now working, and that we can see, not only that we can see, you know, a current, a flow, movement of the water on top. We will get up to that one, but also it's, you know, this one here really has, it literally comes down under this bridge, and then literally it's thinning out all the way to there. So once I get that one sorted, push back under, and effectively, we're really going to get somewhere. I am massively happy that there seems to be some light at the end of the tunnel. There seems to be things happening without a shed load of chemicals, and there are things which are completely safe for the watercourse to put in after the green stuff has cleared, and that'll stop this happening again. I'll go into that at the time, but I think now it's time for waders. Move some, obviously that tree's gone, that's a massive help. Now I've got some branches underneath and get some of the aeration systems down, the aerator, the diffusers down in the place they're supposed to be, because they saw someone come to the surface to have more effect, and eventually I'll be able to only have them on for a couple of hours a day rather than 24 hours a day. But catching up, getting somewhere, and I am really happy to start seeing some results, and I can't wait to see further results. Right. I will see you next time, because I need to finish that bar on the terrace. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.